Hi dear children, welcome back to our maths class. The last class we have started our lesson 2 fractions and many things we have discussed yesterday, isn't it? Fractions, numerator, denominator of the fraction, then the fractional part of a whole, comparison of fractions, addition and subtraction of fractions, everything we have discussed yesterday, isn't it? Yes. Then today we are going to learn equivalent fractions. Then equivalent fractions and how to check whether two fractions are equivalent or not. Okay children, equivalent fraction means what? Two fractions are equal, then we can say this equivalent fractions. Then how we can find out the equivalent fractions of the given fraction? Multiply both numerator and denominator by some numbers. Okay, simply we can take 2, 3 and 4. If we have to find 3 equivalent fractions, we can take 2, 3 and 4. Multiply both numerator and denominator by 2, 3 and 4. Next we have to find 4 equivalent fractions. Then we can multiply both numerator and denominator by 2, 3 and 2, 3, 4 and 5. Like that. Okay. So let's start. Yes. Right. 4 equivalent fractions of 2 by 3. This is the question. Write 4 equivalent fractions of 2 by 3. Okay. So 2 by 3 is our fraction. Write the 4 equivalent fraction. Okay, 4. We need 4 fractions, equivalent fractions. So multiply both numerator, denominator by any number you can take, but simply we can take 2, 3, 4 and 5. Small numbers. Okay, first we multiply 2 by 3 into 2 into 2. Okay, that is 2 into 2 4 and 3 into 2 6, 4 by 6. Okay, next 2 by 3 into 3 into 3. Then 2 into 3 6. Then 3 into 3 9. Okay, then 2 by 3 into 4 into 4. Okay, 2 into 4 8 by 3 into 4 12. Then 2 by 3 into 5 into 5. 2 into 5 10 and 3 into 5 15. Okay, these 4 fractions 4 by 6, 6 by 9, 8 by 12, then 10 by 15 are the 4 equivalent fractions of 2 by 3. Okay, don't stop there. After getting this answer, don't stop there. Write down like this 4 by 6, comma 6 by 9, comma 8 by 12, comma or and 10 by 15 are the 4 equivalent fractions of 2 by 3. 4 equivalent fractions of 2 by 3. Okay children, like this you have to write. Okay, don't stop there after finding the 4 fractions. After that 4 by 6, 6 by 9, 8 by 12 and 10 by 15 are the 4 equivalent fractions of 2 by 3. Okay, this is the better way to complete the answer. Okay, yes. So clear all of you how to find the equivalent fractions of the given fraction. Multiply, very simple. Multiply both numerator and denominator by same number. If it is 2, both numerator and denominator multiply by 2. If it is 3, multiply both numerator and denominator by 3. Okay, so which number you are taking, multiply both numerator and denominator by the same number. Okay children, so clear all of you how to find the equivalent fractions. Children, this is another type of questions. Here given 2 fractions are equal. These 2 fractions are equivalent fractions. But one denominator is missing. How to find the second denominator? Okay children, first you check how 2 becomes 6 or multiply by 2. Which number we multiply by 2 to get 6? The same number we multiply the denominator also. Okay, that means we know 2 into 3 equals 6. 2 into 3 equals 6. So 7 into 3 also same. 7 into 3. What is 7 into 3? 21. So the missing number is 21. 6 by 21. the next one. 6 by 8 equal dash by 16. These two fractions are equivalent, but one the numerator is missing. Okay, then check how 8 become 16. We know 8 into 2 equal 16. Same, we multiply the numerator 6 into 2. What is 6 into 2? 12. The missing number is 12. Okay, children. Third question. 5 by 6 equal 15 by dash. These two fractions are equivalent, but one denominator is missing. So, first you check how 5 become 15. We know 5 into 3 equal 15. So, 6 into 3. What is 6 into 3? 18. Okay, children. The last one. 1 by 9 equal dash by 18. Here 9 become 18. Multiply by 2. Okay, so the numerator also multiply by 2. So 1 into 2 equal 2. Okay, this way we can find out the missing numbers, numerator or denominator. Okay, find out which number we multiply the given numerator or denominator to get the next numerator or denominator. Multiply the same number, then find the answer. Okay, children. Yes. Next, how to check whether two fractions are equivalent? By cross multiplication. By cross multiplication, let's check whether two fractions are equivalent or not. Okay, children. Children, this is the two fractions 3 by 9 and 5 by 15. Check whether these two fractions are equivalent or not. Okay, so write down the two fractions 3 by 9 and 5 by 15. Okay, then cross multiplication. This is cross multiplication. Multiply 3 into 15 and 9 into 5. Both products are same. These two fractions are equivalent. Okay, so multiply 3 into 15 equal. What is 15 into 3? 15, 1 carry. For 3 into 1, 3 plus 1, 4, 45. Then multiply 9 into 5. What is 9 into 5? We know 45. Both products are same. Okay, both products are same. So, here write both products are same. Therefore, either you can write 3 by 9 and 5 by 15 are equivalent, or you can use equal sign. Therefore, 3 by 9 equal 5 by 15. Okay, this way fully you have to write. Okay, children, these two products are same, both products are same. Therefore, 3 by 9 equal 5 by 15. Okay, I have seen the post-midterm examination. Like this one questions were there. Okay, many students were written like this. Stop here. After finding the product, stop the question. The answer stop there. But they did not get full mark because the answer is incomplete. Okay, till here you have to write. Then only the answer is complete. Okay. Yes. So second question B. 2 by 7 and 3 by 8. 2 by 7 and 3 by 8. Okay, so write the number 2 by 7, 3 by 8, cross multiplication. Multiply 2 into 8, 2 into 8 equals 16, then 7 into 3 equals 21. Here one product is 16 and another product is 21. Both are same? No, both products are not same. Okay, the reason also you have to write why the two given fractions are equivalent or why it is not both fractions are not equivalent. Okay, reason also you have to mention that both products are not same. Therefore, 2 by 7 not equal 3 by 8. This is not equal. Okay. Or you can write 2 by 7 and 3 by 8 are not equivalent. Like a sentence you can write. 2 by 7 and 3 by 8 are not equivalent. Okay, children. Okay, so today this much enough. The chapter is over. So, children, today we discussed equivalent fractions, how to find the equivalent fractions of the given fraction and missing numbers, and also how to check whether two fractions are equivalent or not. Okay, children. So, today this much enough, children. So, many questions are there in the textbook. Practice, do yourself. Okay, then thank you, children. Bye bye.